Barbecue.
All right, welcome everyone. Welcome to a very short special edition of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz. Today, I just wanted to kind of say thank you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being on my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching all my dumb videos. That kind of thing. I'm actually cooking a ham. Here, I'll walk out here real quick. I'll show you I'm cooking a ham. Check this out. Got a ham going. Look at it. Look how good that thing looks. Alright, so cooking a ham today, and I'm doing it for my family. I had a little touch of the flu the other day, so I didn't get to cook my ham for my family, which I was going to do. If you guys remember a few videos back, I did the Dr. Pepper glaze, Dr. Pepper ham glaze or whatever, and it turned out really well. I'm not going to lie, it was really, really good. And I kind of got shit on for it, excuse my language, but I kind of got crapped on for it on the internet because, oh, why wouldn't you use soda? Well, it's cooking, folks. Like, just whatever. Like, it's good. It was good. The ham turned out well. My family loved it. Everybody loved it. And it was cool. It was good. So, I'll put a link in the video right here, a little card right there. And you can go back and watch that ham video if you want. Also, you know, I've really pushed this channel for a year. I've been trying to learn it, trying to learn YouTube, trying to push everything out. And I don't know what I'm doing. I'll be the first person to tell you, I do not know what I'm doing. If you're watching my video, I appreciate it a lot because I'm trying to get my videos noticed, and I'm learning how to do that. I don't like paying for views, stuff like that. People do a lot of that, and I don't really care to do that kind of stuff. And Google Ads is kind of ridiculous. It doesn't really get you the views that you think you get. But unless you're going to pay a lot of money. I mean, that's just what it is. They just want you to pay a lot of money, and I don't want to pay a lot of money. So that's just what it is. My channel probably will never be huge because I don't want to put out $1,000 every video to try to get 1,000 views or whatever. Like, it's kind of stupid. But anyway, that's really all I wanted to say. I just wanted to kind of come on here and talk to you guys a minute. Just kind of thank you for being here. When I started this channel a year ago, I mean, I did it for a few months to try to figure out how I was going to do all this stuff and what I was going to do and set everything up. And then I really started pushing it. When I really started pushing it, when I hit about 50 subscribers. And that was at the beginning of this year. And now we're at like 350, or a little shy of 350, something like that now. So it's growing. The channel's growing. It's way harder than it sounds. If anybody tells you YouTube's easy, they are lying through their tooth. I'm telling you right now, they are lying, because YouTube is hard and it takes a lot of work. So anyway, that's all I wanted to say. I do want to tell you, I do want to thank you guys. One of my videos did very well. It's gotten like 5,500 views or something like that. And that video, I'll put a link to it right here too. Bloop, right there. And that video has done very well as well. That was from when I won my first barbecue competition ever. I did it right here in my hometown. There wasn't a whole lot of us that did it, but it was my first one, and I did well. So that was cool. I did another one. I did another competition this year. I didn't do that great, and I did pretty good. My problem was that was when I actually had to turn in a turn-in box, and I didn't do that great. Let's just be honest. I screwed up the turn-in box. That was my fault. It's my bad. I watched a video that I shouldn't have watched, and I screwed it up. That's all it was. I got to do it different next time. So hopefully next year I get through that competition again, and man, maybe I'll pull off a win on that one. But anyway, that's all I want to say. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really want to thank you guys. I want to thank everybody for being here, and I really appreciate it. Here's to another year of videos, another year of cooking, another year of trying to figure out the YouTubes and all that, and you know, let's just see what happens. I'm looking at getting some more cookers. I'm wanting to get into more drum smoking, stuff like that. Just trying to decide what I want right now. I did try to buy a few used ones, but it seems like every time I try to buy one, somebody's already got it. It's already sold before I get there. So just kind of waiting out my time, my options, stuff like that. So eventually we're going to have some new grills to play with. That's going to be awesome. Some new smokers or grills, things like that. It'll come. It'll come, I promise. So stick around. We got a lot more in store for you this year. And I appreciate you being here. And we'll see you guys in the new year. Peace out. Love you. Bye.